We need a new coupler on the Deere 225 for no man's land. There's an old JRB Versalock. We want one of our manual multi-grabs on there. Problem is, it's got the old branding. We're gonna get this up to date and get it on the excavator for the series. We got Steve over here. I'll pass the torch.
First thing first, we're gonna strap it from the skid. We're gonna get all the grease out of the bosses so nothing catches fire. We grab the crane, we're gonna flip the coupler on its side, so this way everything easy to get to. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna grab some wet rags. I'm gonna put it on the coupler to minimize some of the heating for the paint job. Normally in this application, we will use a gouger to gouge the welds off, but we want to save less cleanup. So I think this route, I'm going to use a zip disc on a grinder. This here is a multi-grabber 80 mil coupler. Here you see we changed out the TRK logos into our new Lithgow logos. We cleaned it all up, went over it, touched up the paint so everything looks like new. This here will be getting sent to Grand Island to put on our John Deere excavator for new series No Man's Land.
Coming up this season on No Man's Land.
So scared for her right now, genuine. What? Get up!
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like and a comment, and let us know what you want to see next.